Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna open Winterspells.
Yes, we are. Winterspells right there. Winterspells. Spells. Come on, let's get that in the right spot. Okay. One more box of Winterspells. Winterspells. Oops. Hold on a sec. Oh, hold on a sec. Okay. Hey, can you get that off of there, please, Jade?
Okay, I'll get this off. Even my matcha thing.
Your matcha? What
It's a
matcha?
stamp.
Okay. More Winty spell. Okay, Tigger, Tumas, Game Preserve, Force of a Great, Li Shang, Kanga, White Rabbit, Rue, Grab Your Bow, The Cold Never Bothered Me, anyways, Tamatoa, and an epic right off the bat. Oh my god, wait, is this... Oh, I love this card, that's awesome.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, cool.
Putting them in my pink card. Doesn't even work.
It does. Have to do it this way. Darkwing Duck. David. Dinky. Goofy. Prince Naveen.
It's not the best
Minnie
one.
Mouse. Grandmother Willow. Shanto. Scrooge Counting. Morty. Field Mouse. Eliza Massa. And the Terror That Flaps in the Night.
Alright.
Doo-doo.
Morgana, Nakoma, Aladdin, Goofy, the Terror, Minnie Mouse, Christopher Robin, Pleakley, Chief, Genie, Pocahontas, and Chenpo.
Chenpo. Oh, pow.
Me too, I want to get a drink. Could you give me a drink?
All right, here we go. Tigger, Thomas, Aladdin, Taurus, Donald Duck, Hunker, Muddlefoot, Rabbit, Pleakley,
Yeah, I ran
Keep
out.
the Ancient Ways, Akud et Imuti, Chernabog, Epic,
Another epic already? Holy moly.
Rapunzel, Beauty, Rapunzel.
That's
Set
two
down your
quick epics. Two very quick epics. Must not be
Epic.
many left in the box. Okay, Swordplay, Sarabi, Minnie, Beast Castle, Nani, Blue Smoke, Mushu, Taran, Darkwing Duck, Jumba Jukiba, Darkwing's chair set, and a pot of honey.
It's not even working.
Swordplay, Pumbaa, Snowball Fight, Negaduck, Amos Slade, Cena, Alice, Li Shang, Hidden Trap, Retro Evolution Device, Widow Tweed, Pumbaa.
Someone gave me a tiny
What?
someone gave me
Darkwing
a
Duck,
tiny
David, Strike, Donald, Amos,
candy
Winnie the Pooh,
and a
Chief,
tiny
Elsa,
lollipop and it's
Launchpad,
Christmas. It's supposed
Duke
to be
Weaselton,
Valentine's.
Angela,
Whoever did that,
Dinky.
right, might be a boy or it might be a girl.
Lumpy, Nakoma, Game Preserve, Agna, Launchpad, Skirsh McDuck, Big Mama, Miko, Wipeout, Pete, Legendary, 123, Elsa, Splatter.
Okay, first Elsa, or first legendary of the box.
Search.
Hooah! Diana! Minnie Mouse. Herc. Stitch. Mick. John. Rafiki's. Lonely Grave. Rapunzel. Legendary. 103.
Legendary.
So that's probably going to be Emerald, right? Or is that going to be Ruby? It is Ruby Wreck-It Ralph.
Oh, Wreck-It Ralph.
How do you know it was Ruby?
Yeah, because it's over 100, I guess.
No, I ruined the actual one way after the color drawing this.
Oh, well. Morgana, na. Lilo, Cooper, Iduna, Darkwing, Tiny Tims, Chief Powhatan, Mickey Mouse, Liquidator, Let's Get Dangerous, Ling, Gigi.
Ling. Ling, 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 ling. Ling, 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 ling.
Moana, JD, Boops.
Alright. Isis. Sarabi. Yao.
Mama.
Agnar.
This one.
Launchpad. Honker. The Frozen Vine. Darkwing Tower. Splatter. Phoenix. Copper.
Oh, God.
Willie
yes.
the Giant.
Isn't that
and
nice? You cough on my face. Coughing on my face. After this one, what do you want me to get you then? Hey? Hey.
Juice.
Okay, Pocahontas, Stitch, Force a Great Typhoon, Nearly Indestructible, Piglet, Christopher Robin, Gigi, Daisy Duck, Goofy, Marshmallow, Honker. Excuse me.
Good job, me.
Hmm?
Jump.
Can I what? What do you want me to do with it? Can I what?
You have to put it hold.
Okay, give me a minute. Honey, pot of honey. Kiana, Dinky, Negaduck, McHorn, Cena,
Okay, Mommy.
Education, Flint, Wipeout,
There you go, Bobby.
Stigmut. Ooh, legendary.
Legendary.
The Amethyst. Tinky.
Tinkerbell.
And Darkwing. Darkwing.
We just
I'm
need.
gonna go wash myself.
Okay. Thank you. Be careful. Now wash her so. Can you get out? Oh my God, you're gonna get hit. Come out and fight. Did you hit your head? Zootopia. Squeaks. Fazu. Li Sheng. Kanga. Angel. Education or Elimination. Mulan. Let It Go. Timo. And Isis. I'm just gonna go with Isis. It's much better. I'll make it Tagalog. Isis it is.
Hey, Zootopia, Stitch, Iduna, Nearly Indestructible, Piglet, Simba, Pixie, Slushy, Gramatala, Sven, Super Rare, Nani's Payback.
All right, Legendary. Epic. Enchanted. Space. Percy. Todd. Donald Duck. McHorn. Destruct. Taran. Gone 2. Jocelyn. Goselin? I don't know.
Start with super.
John Smith. Legendary 220. No, 22.
Oh, that's
that right?
Amber.
Yeah, 22.
That's Amber. So it could be Pocahontas.
Polka.
Yeah, we
there
got
you
'em
go. All of them. And Mickey Mouse.
That's the earliest we've ever got all of them.
They're done.
Non-foils.
Non-foils are done.
I think we're due for another foil legendary, though.
How many do we have so far? Two? One?
Just the Elsa.
Oh, yeah.
Hooah. Fangmeyer, Snowball Fight,
Okay.
Marching, Prince
I
Naveen,
really want that
Distract,
Moana one, but
Angel,
I really like that
Liquidator,
Elsa.
Darkwing's Tower, Morgana, Kristoff's Loot, Stitch.
Moana. Excuse me. Come out and fight. Percy keeps showing up and Todd keeps showing up. Fasu. Infra Pink. Scrooge McDuck. Mother's Necklace. Keep the Ancient Ways. Jiminy Cricket. Mystical Incaster. Super Lilo. Todd.
Okay, 6 left in this box. Okay, Isis, Pumbaa, Yow, Herc, Infra Pink. God, I can't say Infra Pink Ultra Scan. Yeah, not even trying. I don't care. Scrooge, Akud, Nani's Payback, and Mickey Mouse.
All right. Nala, Mother will protect you. Boomer, Taurus, Donald Ducky, Piglet, Miko, Grandmother Willow, Li Sheng, Pete, Darkwing, and Nakoma. I think that's see that one.
Okay, 2 left. No, 4 left. Good. 4 is better than 2. Lumpy, Lila, Squeaks, Taurus, okay. Darkwing, Chief Tui, Pudge, Snowfork, Copper, Reuben. I haven't seen many Reubens around. Mulan. Oh, legendary foil. Okay, we knew it. This is 93, so we're dealing with Emerald, right? I don't even remember. There's Donald. Who's the other one? Doesn't matter. Let's just go. Donald. All right.
Alrighty. 2.
See, I told you we were due for a foil in there.
Pot of Honey. Fangmeyer, Boomer, Marching Off to Battle, Nani, Winnie the Pooh, Wisdom of the Willow, Mushu, Scrooge McDuck, Dr. Hamsterville, Bill, Kristoff, Minnie Mouse.
Alrighty. Space Cows, Pocahontas, Copper, Maui, Donald, Tiny Tims, Anna, Nani, Winterspell, Thunder Quack, Minnie Mouse, and Blue Smoke.
Last one. Okay. Nala. Mother will protect you. Strike a good match. Beast Castle. Terror that flaps in the night. Blue Smoke. Flint. Judy Hopps. Darkwing's Cast Device.
Ooh,
Color
seven
of
is
the
fine.
Wind.
Mhm.
Darkwing Duck. And Snowforth.
All right. Good stuff. Good. So that's another good box. These have all been good boxes we've opened because this is 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legendaries and 2 epics. No, it's not doing there. Rapunzel and Mickey Mouse. Yeah, so another good box to say. Anytime you get over 4, I think 4 legendaries is a good box. And 2 epics. So anyways, that'll do it for us. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.
Bye.